Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to explain how to fix Phantom Wallet failed Authenticate. So to get started on how you can simply fix Phantom Wallet failed to Authenticate, the best thing to do is to go to the Phantom website or the App Store, then update the latest version of the Phantom Wallet. So updated version often cause authentication error, so you have to update your app if requested update. Then after that, you have to clear caches or cookies on browser. If you are using Phantom browser extension, just go to the browser settings, then clear the caches and cookies, then restart the browser. Then you can also disable the VPN or proxy. So turn off any VPN or proxy you are using. This can also block Phantom's connection and cause authentication failure. Then once that is done, you can also make sure you have a stable internet connection. You can switch to Wi-Fi or mobile data if needed. Then after that, you have to relog into your Phantom wallet. So to do this, log out of Phantom wallet, then close the app or the browser, then open the Phantom again, then log back into your account. Then you can also restore the wallet using the recovery phrase if needed. So if authentication still fails, reinstall the Phantom wallet, then use the secret recovery phrase to restore your wallet. Then after that, you can also contact Phantom support. If not of this, if any of these the method didn't work, you can just contact the Phantom support using the support.phantom.app just to reach them and launch your complaint to the customer support. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more. Thanks.